How to contact Ola customer support quickly. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily contact Ola customer support quickly. So let's get started. First thing, simply open up any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Ola customer support and just tap on the first link which appears over here. And you can basically choose between any of the queries you have regarding your account or safety. You can just tap on such option, and if it's account related you can always tap on it, and you can always select any of the option or issue which you are facing currently and just click on that and just read out the troubleshooting method over here. Or you can simply search in for olacaps.com/contact on your navbar and simply search in for that, which will directly take you to this page over here. So you can basically come over to this option over here, that is customer support, and just click on this click here button to quickly reach out to them, which will basically take you to the same page over here. And if you like, you can physically visit the address located over here if you live near the location. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.